Small Towns and the River by Mamang Dai is a very thoughtful poem that talks about life, death, and the human soul through the poet's memories of her hometown. It beautifully shows the difference between how short human life is and how everlasting nature and traditions can be. It makes us think that about what really gives meaning to our existence. It explores the themes of life and death through the contrasting imagery of small towns and the river. And that's why the poem got this name. So the poem begins with a powerful line, small towns always remind me of death. So this line immediately sets a very serious and emotional tone. So the poet uses her quite unchanging hometown to show how death is always around in small communities. Every time someone dies, the whole town feels the loss, reminding everyone of how fragile life is, how temporary it is, how transient it is. But while human lives come and go, rituals and nature stay the same. The river that flows by the town becomes a symbol of eternity. So the poet gives it life as if the river has a soul of its own. It keeps flowing endlessly, unlike people who eventually fade away. So in the later stanza, the focus is shifted to a river which is a symbol of continuity and immortality. While human lives fade away, the river keeps flowing, eternal, never changing, and everlasting. So through this, the poet reflects on the idea of eternal life and spiritual peace. Now this belief in an afterlife and the presence of God as a guiding force, it brings her comfort amidst the pain, impermanence, the transience, the temporality surrounding her. So the poem mentions a ritual where the dead are laid facing west so that their souls can rise in the east with the morning sun. So this act symbolizes renewal and birth, which shows the townspeople's belief that the soul never really dies. It continues its journey to the afterlife to walk with the gods. Now in the end, small towns and the river, it becomes a gentle and thoughtful reminder that while life is temporary, our beliefs, traditions, and the soul's spirit, it connects us to something eternal. Like, share, and comment on the video, and subscribe to my channel Beauty of Language for regular updates.